Hello my friends, how are you today? I'm Andreas from Motorfanatics and welcome to a new video. I hope you guys doing well, at least better than me for our regular viewers. Yes, that's my sick voice. That's because this video is very short, but it's still a special one because I'm going to share something with you. I kept a hidden secret until now. I talked about the over fender project, but I couldn't talk myself through cutting up the front fenders of an original prototype STi. The rear quarter panels, okay, they're rusty, whatever, but the front I couldn't bring myself to. So somebody made me an offer I could not refuse. You guys have seen in the last video the front bumper is removed, and so are now a few other parts. And now, since I haven't done anything else this week, let me at least lift the veil of secrets. First of all, let's look at the boring side. Well, it's a STi, it's wide, it's cool, okay. Now, let's get a few steps back and turn the camera. Yes. Boy, is she thick. It's just taped on, it's not adjusted, not fine-tuned, nothing at all. It's just me and you guys. I did it as good as I could, as I can, while feeling like I do. Sorry guys. So let's enjoy it together. A WRC wide body kit. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the difference. How wide that side is and how wide the original side is. This is so much. Pretty much double it. Oh yeah. It's all held in place by clamps and tape. You can see here how much more fun space for activities we will have. The fitment is pretty decent. Okay, here and there. That's because it's not tucked down at all. Especially the back side. Since these are fiberglass reinforced replacement parts, not bolt on or rivet on, they obviously do not fit like that since I haven't cut anything. But I still wanted to put everything on just to have a look at it. It's so freaking cool. Look how much more space we've got here. So clamps and a lot of tape. Stuff like that obviously will, once put on, fit rather nice. Same goes for the rear light, for the tail lights. Unfortunately, I've put so much tape on, you can not really see how much wider it is. Let's try anyway. So, yeah, that's well, you can see here how much wider it is. Well, there's actually nothing going on here at all. It's just the body line. Over here, it's most definitely not just the body line. Let's look over the fender in that direction. Looks so brutal. Let's look over to the front fender in this direction. There it is, small little hump in the back of the picture. Yes, that's quite more dominant. Yes, it is. And I love it. Sorry guys, I mentioned I'm still sick, unfortunately. Can I get a good picture without killing myself on the stairs? Yes, I can. That does look mighty fine, mighty cool, and mighty much work left. Is that a sentence? That's not a sentence. A lot of work left. But as soon as I'm not sick anymore and healthy again, the work continues. Unfortunately, not on anything cool, but the rear axle and the rust. But then, oh yeah baby, then she be thick. Sorry again guys. First, for keeping it secret, and secondly for being sick and not having done much this week. I hope you at least enjoy this little preview. So stay healthy, like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. Andreas out and back into bed.